My dog is chewing on gum. Hey! That's so hilarious.
Oh, baby, you want some more gum? There you go. Eat it.
Is she actually putting it in her mouth or she's chewing it? Sound effects. Okay, baby, can you stop chewing on the gum? Give me the gum, now.
No, mine.
Can I have the gum?
No, mine.
Give me the gum. Spit it out.
It's funny, you don't chewing gum.
That's not funny.
Yes, it is.
That's the gum.
She's enjoying it. That's right. Eat it. Eat it.
It's funny.
Oh, she got some stuck on her stomach.
Can you pick it out of her mouth? Okay, I'm getting worried now.
Sácatelo. No, ya sácatelo. 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 Mío.
Hey!
Get it out. Finally. No gum was hurting is making a big chewing scene.
You mean no dog?
No gum.
Let me see it. How she live it?
No.
On our first video, we made this mess.
Now we have to pick up a big review.
He's kidding, he's a joke.